Hi everyone! In this holistics video demonstration, I'm going to show you how simple and quick it is to get tables of data into holistics. We're going to be using the data imports feature with Google Spreadsheets. If you've already watched our video on how to set up your own database and connect it to holistics, this will be the next step in the process. So let's get started. Select Data Imports from the side menu. Now, we're going to add a new data import job schedule. We have to give it a name for this job, so let's call it Profitability. There are various ways that you can import your tables of data into your database that you've created, but today we're going to use Google Spreadsheet. So let's hop over to Google Drive. I have a Google Spreadsheet here called Profitability Data. This is the table of data that we'll want to upload into our database. So select Share and copy a shareable link. Now let's return to our data import screen. We enter the Google source URL here and we validate the source. And Data Imports has been able to find the table of data. We have to specify the database that we want to load this into, the schema name, as well as the table name. Let's call this Test Finance. We're going to use the full sync configuration today. I'll go into sync configurations another time, but for now, we can add in schedule for how often we want this job to run. It can be on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, or ever so often, in minutes or hours. Now we validate the sync configuration, and the table structure is validated. So let's save this job. So although we've scheduled our job to run every half hour, we also have the option of executing this job immediately, which is what we're going to do now. To be sure that his job is run, we can look at job history and refresh the page. And now we can see that the job has just run. So if we return to the import list, now we can select the destination table, which was the test finance table that we created. And now we can see that the table has been uploaded into our database. So that's how quick and easy it is to import your data from Google Spreadsheets into holistics. And now for good measure, I'm going to show you how fast it is to create a holistics report. First, select the database. Now we're going to type a quick SQL statement to grab the table that we just uploaded. And autocomplete has been able to find the table for me. We select Render Visualization and click Run and Preview. Now the advantage of using SQL for holistics means that we'll only have to build the report once, as we'll always grab the latest data from the spreadsheet once the schedule runs. So let's select an area chart visualization. For this, it makes sense to create an area chart that stacks. And now we'll just select Cost and Profit to be able to convey the figures for this profitability. Let's call this the Profitability Area Chart. And now let's save the report. And voila! You've just created your first holistics report. That's how easy it is to go from importing your data to creating your first chart. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Take care!